name before, but I wasn't sure who Khan was. I knew that I wasn't going to like him, though. Tell me about him, I said. It was about 15 years ago.
Oh, Jesus!
This psychopath proclaimed himself the new prophet of God in Assam or Sikkim or one of those places to the east. He said a gleaming blue angel presented him with revelations and divine proclamations. The most urgent being
that
Khan
That way!
go out and
That
jam every white woman he could find and murder anybody who got in his way.
मग त्या आम्ही बॅक टू स्कूल जाईल त्या मग मी मरकाडी नेल
तू बॅक टू स्कूल मग तेव्हा आता तो 11चा झाला ना
बरं तेव्हा
झटके बाहेर लागलं तुला
हो लाग दुखतेच्या
आता दारच नाही उघडायचं दार बघ अरे बाहेर गाडी
on 89.7 The River.
Yes, I have it. Back up.
She's hitting me.
She hit him.
She put her hands on me with a stick.
I just want to get there. We've been waiting here for 20 minutes.
I'm hooking everybody up. All you have to do is, it's called patience. It's called patience.
I knew that after 20 minutes.
20 minutes. You got to count.
He just got here. You're not supposed to touch the pump. He did not. He not.
Do that. It's against the law.
It's not.
It's against the law.
Call a cop. And look, call a cop. She put her hands on me. She hit me.
She hit him.
She hit me. Look at her.
This woman is crazy.
He's a racist.
I'm a racist.
He called her a
You didn't have to hit him. You didn't have to hit him.
Make sure you send it.
You didn't have to hit him.
I didn't hit him.
Please
He
get
hit
away
me.
from me. You hit him. I have it on video.
He hit me.
Miss, you're intimidating
He hit
me.
Oh, God forbid.
Just
God
get away from the car.
forbid.
Get away from the car.
Intimidating.
Get away from the car.
Fuck you.
Get away from the car. You shouldn't have hit him.
I'll be right there. And then she gonna really jump out and hit me with that thing?
Thank you, sweetheart.
Thank you.
I'm so sorry for that. I'm sorry.
Y'all need to relax right now. Relax.
You should sue her ass. You should. Incredible. I'm getting her license plate. These people are crazy. I'm getting her license plate right now. 4465. 4465. I got you right here. That woman hit him. That woman hit him. Oh yes, the police have showed up. She hit him. She hit him. Yes, 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 yes. I have it on film.